One of the things for those people who are non-welders is extremely important for them to recognize that the welder, while they have that weld helmet down, in some cases even a grinder with a grinding shield down, that they've got extremely limited vision, and so even just walking around them, let alone bringing material in and around them, can pose a danger to that person who's grinding or welding.
My last job, actually, I had a garbage can behind my work desk, and I was grinding. I wasn't even welding. It was just grinding, and the sparks flew over, started the garbage can on fire, and started my coat on fire and my backpack, and it got really big. And what made me realize what was going on was I felt the heat on my back.
If you're watching this, you most likely work at a facility where hot work operations take place, at least occasionally. Since you're not directly involved, you might not think about the dangers. Even so, it's important to be aware of what's going on and how to keep yourself and those around you safe. Hot work is defined as any work that involves burning, welding, using fire or spark-producing tools, or that produces a source of ignition. Many sources of ignition exist, including open flames, hot gases, hot surfaces, mechanical sparks, and electrical sparks, among others. Hot work is ideally performed in a permanent fire-safe area known as a designated area.